Hey friends, so today we are going to unbox this together. I just received this from the mail and it's the LED eye patch. This is written in Korean. Okay, here it says it's a portable LED eye patch for skin tone and elasticity. So I think it's supposed to help with your skin tone and to help with elasticity in the skin. So if you have like sagging under eye skin, that should be able to help you. And this is mainly written in Korean, but let's see here. It says LED magic eye patch, and it's a 20 LED red lights reach to the skin's dermis layer and promotes the production of elastin and collagen to help skin whitening, elasticity, and regeneration. Okay, so you guys, let's unbox this and see what we have in here. This is so cute. Anything in English? No. Okay, so it says remove makeup and treat your skin with base. Okay, so first step, you remove all your makeup. Second step, remove protective films from the eye patch. Change the shape of the eye patch to fit your face type and place it under your eyes or on your laugh lines. Okay, so I guess you can use this under your eyes, or if you have like deep laugh lines, you can also use this on that, and you use it for between 8 to 24 minutes a day, at least 3 times a week to double wrinkle treatment and skin firming effects. Okay. So it's connect the device to a mobile phone and press the controller button. Once the LEDs turn off, the device will automatically power off. Standard setting is 8 minutes. Okay, let's see how this is going to work. Okay, so I'm guessing this is the part that you put on your skin. This right here is the part you put on your skin. How about all these? So what are these though? These little things here, what are these used for? I guess this is for the mobile phone. Okay, this goes in there. Yep. I don't know. Let's try to power this. I'm using my phone to film, but let's try to power this and see if it's going to work. Let's take this off from here so we could get some length. And no, this isn't going to fit into the phone, so let's attach this. So I think, no, okay, so this fits perfectly. Let's put this on the phone. I'm going to plug this in the phone right here. And then I think this is the power button right here. So I'm going to press. Hey, hi. Here we go. This is so cute. Okay, so you definitely place this on the skin. Ooh, this is so cool. I'm going to use this tonight while I'm watching some I'm binging on some TV shows. Just to touch it on your skin for like probably 8 minutes. Is it warming? Let me see. No, I don't feel any warmth right now. Ooh, but this looks good. So right now I have some dark spots. I have dark under eye circles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this under my eyes. I'll probably do like a 2-week trial and see. I'll use it like once a day before I go to sleep. I'll use it and see how it works. And I'll probably post a before and after I'm done using this. It's sticky. It's very sticky, so I think it's not going to move once you put it on your skin. It's just going to stay put until you're done using it. And you can use this under your eyes, and you can use it anywhere you have lines, around your eyes, under your eyes, your laugh lines, you can use it. So this sounds cool. I am going to use it tonight and see. Okay guys, I'll come back with the before and after photo and we'll see if it worked or not. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.